In the heart of whimsical woods, under a silver moon, Oliver the young owl discovered a magical sight, trees swaying and twirling as if they were dancing to a silent tune. Intrigued, Oliver flooded closer, and to his amazement, the trees taught him the secret dance. With each step and turn, new paths unveiled, leading Oliver to hidden treasures of the forest. His adventure was filled with laughter and wonder, as he realized that nature held mysteries just waiting to be explored. This enchanting night taught Oliver the sheer joy of discovery and the beautiful dance of nature's secrets. One sunny day, Luna, the curious rabbit, followed the trail of laughter to the banks of the giggling river. The river's waters chuckled and bubbled with joy, for the fish would then told the funniest jokes. Luna, intrigued, shared her stories, and in return, the fish shared theirs, creating ripples of laughter. This exchange of tales under the sun taught Luna the importance of sharing joy and connecting with others through stories, proving that laughter truly is a bridge between hearts. Danny, the bear with a sweet tooth, roamed the woods in search of the perfect honey, but found himself hopelessly lost. Just as he was about to give up, he met a bee, equally lost, searching for a hive. Together, they embarked on a journey, Danny's nose for honey and the bee's knowledge of flowers guiding them. Their adventure was filled with fun, challenges, and the discovery that friendship and teamwork were the sweetest treasures of all, leading them to find not just the honey in the hive, but also a friendship forged in sweetness. Sophie, the squirrel with a flair for colors, stumbled upon a stash of magical nuts one day. To her delight, each nut held a vibrant color that could paint the forest leaves. Sophie's artistic spirit soared as she painted, bringing the woods to life with hues of joy. Her friends marveled at the colorful spectacle, learning from Sophie that creativity and a splash of color can transform the world into a brighter place, inspiring them all to find the inner artist. Henry, the timid hedgehog, feared the dark until a band of friendly fireflies lit up his path one night. Their gentle glow guided him through the woods, revealing its nocturnal wonders. With each step, Henry's fear melted away, replaced by awe and excitement. This nighttime adventure, illuminated by the kindness of new friends, taught Henry that darkness holds beauty and mystery, and with a little light, the unknown can become a playground of wonders. In the cozy center of the enchanted village, Ella the baker worked her magic on a loaf of bread unlike any other. With each slice, villagers' wishes came true, but not always as they expected. Through laughter and surprise, Ella's magical loaf taught everyone a valuable lesson. Happiness comes not from getting what we wish for, but from appreciating the wonders we already have. The villagers learned to cherish each moment and to find joy in the simple pleasures of life. Thanks to Ella's wise baking, Milo, the village tailor, discovered a spool of thread that could mend anything it touched. As he repaired torn clothes and broken toys, Milo realized that the true magic wasn't in the thread, but in the care he put into each stitch. His adventures with the enchanted thread taught the villagers and Milo himself that patience, care, and attention are the real ingredients demanding more than just objects, but hearts and dreams too. Whiskers, the mischievous cat, stumbled upon a potion that rendered her invisible. Delighted, she played tricks on the villagers, enjoying her newfound power. However, she soon realized that the joy of being seen and appreciated far outweighed the thrill of invisibility. Whiskers learned that true happiness comes from connections and being valued by others, a lesson she shared with all. Along with a few more playful pranks, now visible and more appreciated than ever, Theo, the village gardener, planted a seed that sprouted into flowers with melodious voices. Their songs filled the air, bringing smiles and harmony to the village. Theo and his fellow villagers discovered the unique joy that nature's music can bring, teaching them to listen to the earth's harmony. The singing flowers reminded everyone of the beauty of working together and the symphony that can be created when we live in harmony with nature. Lucy, the village bookworm, found a hidden library with enchanted books that whisked readers away into their stories. Sharing this secret with the village children, she opened the doors to worlds of adventure, mystery, and magic. Together, they learned that imagination is the key to endless adventures and that books the portals to worlds waiting to be explored. Lucy's library became a treasure trove of adventures, teaching the children the power of imagination and the adventures that lie in the pages of a book. Jack, the young and eager pirate, found an old, dusty map tucked away in a bottle on the shores of the Island of Wonders. The map promised treasure, but Jack discovered something far greater: friendship. As he journeyed across the island, He met creatures and characters who shared their stories and dreams. Jack learned that the greatest treasure is the friendship and bonds we build along our adventures, a lesson more valuable than gold. Cora, the gentle mermaid, invited Sarah, a human girl, to visit her stunning coral palace beneath the waves. Sarah was mesmerized by the beauty of the underwater world and its inhabitants. Through Cora's eyes, Sarah learned about the importance of preserving the ocean's wonders and promised to share this knowledge about the waves. Their friendship bridged two worlds, teaching Sarah the vital role we all play in protecting the oceans, the heart of our planet. Eli, an adventurous boy with a boundless curiosity, discovered a path leading to a dormant volcano's secret chamber. Inside, ancient wisdom about the island's past awaited him. This journey taught Eli the importance of respecting nature's power and the value of preserving its mysteries. He emerged from the volcano with a deep appreciation for the island's history and a commitment to safeguarding its secrets for future adventures. Mia, a kind-hearted girl visiting the island, found a magical coconut that promised to grant a wish to anyone who found it. After much thought, Mia wished for the island to remain a beautiful and peaceful haven for all its inhabitants. She learned that the most powerful wishes are those that benefit others, not just oneself. Mia's selfless wish taught everyone on the island the value of conservation and the beauty of sharing blessings for the greater good. Pedro, the island's most colorful and vibrant parrot, was entrusted with a special message. As he flew from one end of the island to the other, his message of unity brought together creatures of all kinds for a grand feast. Through laughter, stories, and shared meals, Pedro's message taught the island's inhabitants the importance of community and the joy of celebrating life's simple pleasures together, reminding everyone that togetherness makes every moment brighter. Alex, a young boy with a dream of flight, learned to listen to the wind's whispers. Guided by its gentle murmurs, Alex soared across the sky, discovering the thrill of exploring the unknown. His adventures above the clouds taught him the joy of discovery and the wisdom that the sky holds, a boundless expanse of mysteries and wonders waiting to be explored. Alex's journey inspired those below to listen more closely to the world around them and to find adventure in the wind's call. Amelia, a girl with dreams as big as the sky, found a way to bring her imagination to life by painting on clouds. With each stroke, she created floating masterpieces that inspired everyone who saw them. Amelia's cloud paintings taught the villagers to look up and find inspiration in the everyday, reminding them that art and beauty are all around us, waiting to be seen and appreciated. Her creative spirit showed that with a bit of imagination, the sky is not the limit but the canvas. Leo, a child with a passion for the stars, began collecting fallen stars, each holding a story of its own. Sharing these celestial tales with his friends, Leo opened their eyes to the infinite wonders of the night sky. His collection became a testament to the endless stories above us, teaching his friends to look up and dream big, reminding them that the universe is full of stories waiting to be discovered, and we are all part of a much larger tale. Nina, during a dream one night, found herself wandering in a garden on the moon. She discovered that she could visit this lunar garden in her dreams whenever she wished. Sharing her secret with her friends, Nina taught them that adventures could happen even in sleep, highlighting the power of dreams and the boundless realms they can explore. Her moonlit garden became a symbol of hope and imagination, showing that dreams can be as real and as wonderful as any daytime adventure. Sam, fearless and full of wanderlust, seized the chance to ride a passing comet, journeying to distant galaxies. His tales of cosmic wonders upon his return filled everyone with awe and a thirst for adventure. Sam's interstellar journey reminded all that the universe is vast and filled with wonders beyond our wildest dreams, encouraging them to chase their own comets and to never stop exploring, for adventure is always out there, waiting for the brave. Tim, a modern-day boy, found himself whisked back to the age of dinosaurs, where he befriended a young T-Rex. Together, they roamed prehistoric lands, embarking on adventures that taught Tim about courage and the timeless nature of friendship. Their bond across eras showed that friendship knows no bounds, not even time, and that courage is found in the heart of every true adventurer. Emily stepped through a time portal and found herself in the midst of a bustling medieval festival. As she mingled with jesters, knights, and villagers, she learned about the customs, joys, and sense of community that bound them together. This journey into the past taught Emily the importance of community and celebration, reminding her that though times may change, The joy of togetherness is eternal. Zoe stepped through a portal and was amazed by the futuristic city that awaited her. She explored innovations that made life easier and more enjoyable for its inhabitants. Her adventure taught her that the future holds bright possibilities when people work together for the common good. Inspiring Zoe with hope and the determination to contribute to a better tomorrow. In the heart of ancient Alexandria, Max stumbled upon the famed library, where he learned from scholars and philosophers. This journey through time enlightened Max on the value of knowledge and the importance of preserving it for future generations. He returned with a renewed respect for learning and a commitment to contribute to the legacy of knowledge. After their individual journeys through time, a group of friends reunited, each bringing back an artifact from their adventures. These treasures were not just souvenirs but symbols of the lessons they had learned, that exploration, curiosity, and the human spirit of adventure are timeless. Together, they realized that while times may change, the quest for knowledge and understanding is a constant journey that unites us all.